Hi guys, let's take a look at this question where learners conducted an experiment to determine how initial kinetic energy given to a trolley affects the distance the trolley moves on a rough horizontal surface. The learner then pushes a trolley of unknown mass until it reaches point A with kinetic energy EKA. The horizontal distance x traveled by the trolley before it comes to rest is then measured. The experiment is repeated with the trolley moving on the same rough horizontal surface but with different initial kinetic energies at point A. And they show the difference here. So, with initial kinetic energy of 6, it travels 1.5, 112 at 3, and 18 at 4.5. 5.1. Draw a labeled free body diagram showing all the forces acting on the trolley during its motion after passing point A. So there we have the trolley after passing point A. So we will have the trolley there. They want a free body diagram. Definitely weight and definitely normal force. They will be the same. They will be equal. And then we have frictional force because it is a rough surface. Okay, you'll get 3 marks. 5.3. Name the independent variable in this experiment. Remember, the independent variable is on the x-axis. And what is on the x-axis in this graph? That is the initial kinetic energy. So that would be your independent variable. 5.3. State the work energy theorem in words. Please study this definition. So the total work done on an object is equal to the change in the object's kinetic energy. Okay, 5.4. Calculate the mass of the trolley if the coefficient of kinetic friction between the wheels of the trolley and the rough horizontal surface is 0.18. All right, so they've given us the coefficient. So we know we're going to have to use the kinetic friction in formula because how else are we going to do it, right? So what do we need? We need friction. We have that and we can easily calculate the normal force, right? So how would we then calculate the friction in this respect? Remember, friction is equal to the gradient of the graph. So what can we do first? We can first find the gradient of the graph, which will be y over x, so any point on the graph, right? So let's just choose the first point. So the y is 1.5 and the x is 6. We jot that into the calculator and we get a quarter. So then we're just going to flip it and we get 4 over 1, so which is 4. So then that is going to be our friction, 4 newtons, right? We have our coefficient, which has been given as 0.18. Our normal force is m times gravitational force, which is 9.8. So then we can easily find the mass of the trolley to be 2.27 kgs. Done and dusted. Super easy, right? I'll see you in the next one.